Want to learn how to optimize your Amazon listings and boost your sales with JungleScout? Stick around because in this quick JungleScout guide, I'm going to show you the tools and strategies that can take your product listings from average to top tier on Amazon. And the best part? You can get access to JungleScout for free with our exclusive bonuses. Just click the link in the description below. If you're an Amazon seller or just getting started, JungleScout is a game changer. It's packed with features designed to help you find profitable products, optimize listings, and track your competition, all in one platform. But let's break it down. The first thing you need to know is that JungleScout offers you the data to back up every decision you make. You're not guessing. The product tracker tool helps you keep an eye on competitor products and understand what's working in your niche. By tracking sales data and inventory, you can spot trends and adjust your listings based on what's in demand. This helps you focus on products that have real potential, not just items you hope will sell. Now, let's talk about the keyword research feature, arguably one of the most important aspects of listing optimization. JungleScout's Keyword Scout helps you uncover the best keywords to target in your listing. If you want to show up on Amazon's first page, it's crucial to use the right keywords that customers are searching for. Keyword Scout gives you data like search volume, competition, and even suggested keywords you might have missed. With this tool, you can ensure your Amazon listings are properly optimized and get more visibility in the search results. But keyword optimization isn't just about choosing the right terms. It's about integrating them strategically throughout your product listing. That means adding relevant keywords to your title, bullet points, product description, and backend search terms. This will help Amazon's algorithm understand exactly what your product is and match it with the right customers. Don't overload your listing with keywords though. Keep it natural and focused on providing real value to your customers. Another JungleScout tool that's incredibly useful is the Listing Builder. Once you've done your keyword research, Listing Builder allows you to seamlessly create optimized listings. It helps you design your product title, bullet points, and description so they're not only keyword rich but also compelling to potential buyers. The Listing Builder provides real-time feedback, helping you refine your content for maximum impact. One of the most underutilized features of JungleScout is its competitor analysis. You can spy on your competitors' listings, see how they are optimized, and uncover the strategies they're using to succeed. This feature allows you to pinpoint gaps in your own listings and give you the edge you need to stand out in a crowded market. Looking at what your competitors are doing can save you time and effort and help you stay ahead of the curve. To make sure your listings continue to perform well, JungleScout also offers an Amazon rank tracker. This tool keeps tabs on your product rankings across various keywords, allowing you to track your performance over time. By monitoring how your listings are ranking for key search terms, you can make informed adjustments to stay competitive. So now, what are the next steps? To really get the most out of JungleScout, start by performing a comprehensive audit of your Amazon listings. Use the keyword research tools, monitor your competitors, and tweak your product pages based on the data JungleScout provides. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, JungleScout offers the insights you need to succeed. Before I wrap up, don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive extended free trial of JungleScout. You won't find this offer anywhere else, and it's a great opportunity to dive in and see firsthand how this powerful tool can help you optimize your Amazon listings and grow your business. That's it for today's quick guide. Now that you know how to optimize your Amazon listings with JungleScout, it's time to take action. Check out the link for your free trial and start boosting your sales today.